Hey friends, Sarah and Jetpack Explorer.
We hope you're excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with. We also have marker paper to draw on. And I love how he turned out, but you guys can pause the video during any part of this lesson and add more things. It doesn't have to look exactly like ours.
Yeah, you could even draw a spaceship in the background.
Oh, that would be awesome. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start by drawing a circle shape for the head. We're gonna start by drawing the bottom of the head. So we'll draw it a little bit more square down at the bottom. So I'm gonna draw a U and kind of has a flat bottom to it. And we're drawing it in the top right so that we have room for the body. And then we're gonna draw the top of our explorer's head connecting to the other side. Then over here on the left, we'll draw an oval for the earpiece that goes over the ear. And then we can draw the opening for the helmet and the mask, or where the face would be. So we're gonna draw it curving up, getting really close to the ear. And then over the top, we're gonna curve over like this to the right side. Yeah, now let's draw the goggles, and we'll draw them up. So they're not over his eyes, but we're gonna draw them more maybe where his forehead would be. So we got this S curve. Yes, and then let's draw a smile for our explorer because they're having fun.
Yeah.
And this could be a boy or a girl. You can just add details to make it one, either one. And we're gonna draw the eyes on both sides. Okay, there's our little head for our explorer. Okay, now let's draw the body. We're gonna draw the belly and legs. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna draw it curving down, and we'll stop here. So it's coming down to the bottom left. Then we can draw the arms sticking out to the side. And then, so this is like a letter U. I drew it kind of curved too. And then we're gonna draw the armpit coming down to the legs. And then right here, let's draw guide points. We're gonna draw 2 guide points. And we want them to be the same distance from the outside line so that that's the ankle down here. So let's draw one leg coming up. And then we can draw the bottom of the body coming forward. And then we'll draw the other leg coming up and connecting. Okay, and then let's connect the pants or the jumpsuit. And then we can draw the shoes. We'll draw letter U's. And I'm drawing them coming straight down so that they look more like feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, now let's draw a sleeve on the arm. And then we can draw the arm straps or shoulder straps for a jetpack. So I'm gonna draw 2 curves coming out from the armpit up to the chin or the cheek. Then let's draw another strap over here. We're gonna start down kind of in the same spot, and then we'll come up and connect to the other cheek. Now let's draw this same shape except for the other arm, and I'm gonna draw it pointing up like he's taking off. And then we can also draw a line for the sleeve. There we go. What are we missing though?
His jetpack.
Yeah, the actual rocket strapped to his back. Let's draw a line right here. So we'll connect the arm to the body. And then we're gonna draw a line right here. And then let's draw the jetpack or the rocket. So I'm gonna draw a little curve coming out of the helmet. And then we're gonna draw it coming down, and I'm trying to match this same line right here. Yeah, and then we can draw it curving into the arm. And then let's add another curve that matches that first one we did. And then we could also add another one up here towards the top of the jetpack. And then we gotta draw the blaster or the fire coming out of the jetpack. So I'm gonna draw a big zigzag, 2 of them, and then a really long line coming down. Then let's do the same thing here. We could draw 2 zigzags and then connect them together. Oh, you could add another little zigzag on both sides and then come down to a point.
Okay.
I like that you have an extra one. It's okay that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome. And like we always mention, what's the most important thing?
To have fun.
Yeah, and to
Practice.
Practice. Remember to have fun and practice. Now we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You could also add a background. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Also, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Jetpack Explorers and they turned out awesome. I especially love that we added the moon down here.
Yeah, that part's awesome. I also really like the lines.
Yeah, it makes it look like he's really moving or taking off. Now you could add even more things like more background or more details to your Explorer.
Or you could add them on Earth.
Oh yeah, that could be Earth and he's leaving.
Yeah.
You could really have a lot of fun changing more things to your drawing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Jetpack Explorer.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.